Okay, we're ready to try just the green beans without any heat in here to start with. This is just a test case, and what initially happened is this will spin for a little bit, and then the x-axis, this is the y-axis, the rotary axis, and the what this is called the sweep axis, sweeping back and forth. This has a homing switch on it, so this will move at 1100 steps per cycle per second, and which comes out to about 13.75 millimeters per second, and it'll be about I guess 31 seconds to sweep all the way back and forth at that speed. I also have two other speeds, 800 steps per second and 1400 steps. It'll be faster. 800 would be slower, obviously. This is going to run at 30 RPMs. I've got a couple other speeds, and they show up on the display down there if you can see it when it starts up. The 1100 gets cropped off. We'll have to fix that later. This is just testing for now. So initially, I put this hammer on here to hold this thing so it doesn't kink up. That seems to work all right for now, but need a little bit better, less easier way to do it. Well, it's just a simple way to do it, so I might just keep doing that for now anyway. So we'll turn the power on and we'll get to this. This is running 12 volts, and as soon as power goes to the Arduino, it should start up. Rotates a little bit. Now it's homing. Both the X and Y axis move. My wife thinks that sounds like a rain stick. Of course, it'll change after it starts roasting, and it actually roasts all right. Actually, there's a timer on this, so it'll tell me whether it's actually pretty close to 31 seconds or not. I forget when it actually started, though. It's 31 already, so it must have started before. Let's change the RPM a little bit. That's at 30. I don't have many settings because it can't get too fast. Oop, didn't do anything. Maybe it's not working. That code's not working well, but actually that's a pretty good speed. We might try roasted that just to see how well it works. I actually go beyond it so it doesn't get too much of a hot spot right at the edge. So the big question is whether it's got enough heat going back and forth like that. I might see if I can fix that code so I can adjust the speed in case I want to speed it up first. But it looks pretty good for a first test.